Got it slow on the 8-point coming in at 4. Good save. Nice save, everybody.
Slowed down too much. Got loose.
Me too.
Oh, you're working something fierce, brother.
Okay.
Yeah, your ping's at 375.
Yeah, okay, we'll do this for about 5 minutes or so, a little bit less than that, and it'll clear on up. So if it gets too bad, just remove me or just clarify me or whatever.
You know, right now you're all by yourself, so it ain't a big deal, but if you get in the pack of trucks, you'll have to at least drop behind that pack and get in a clear spot or something, because it is getting pretty bad there for a minute.
Nice save there, Chris.
See you, Travis, you guys got a load.
Thank you, man. I'm a little loose right now.
Get that rhythm again, bud. Get that rhythm. Caution, caution. Alright, bud, why don't you give me a status on your car there? Closed.
Good racing,
Line
guys.
up behind the 30.
Yeah, good racing up near the
Well, that
top
was a
there,
good
guys.
little green run. Green flag run.
Watch out, leaders. Got a lap truck here in the middle of the front straightaway, fellas.
Where are you guys all sitting at from
I
position?
mean, that was some good racing, I think,
I'm sorry?
from 9th on back. My God,
All
that's
20s.
a good racing.
think I'm in 11th or 12th.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm in,
just-
11th.
I'm just out
you guys
here,
have any idea what
gaining
happened?
experience.
Backstretch.
I don't know, but it's caution to take a shot.
Oh, thank God, I needed that caution.
that was
I needed
me,
to
I
get
lost
some
it.
tires.
Pit road is open.
Yep, I just got on it, yep.
Sorry about that, guys.
Man, this track really sucks tires. Holy.
That's what ready, so I haven't hit the brakes going into 34.
Yeah, I haven't yet, but I should be.
It's getting close.
Yeah, it was.
God, is that a big tip? Do 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 do.
Good Lord, I'm gonna fire my pit grill.
I'm gonna fire my car driver.
You probably should.
What was your name? Who's in 20th?
Kyle, 22nd now.
Oh, Kyle. That's, God, I always
That was
I always forget. I always
15
talk the whole race at Martinsville. Like, surprised I
Come
don't
on,
know your
Ryan.
voice.
We're gonna have to come around to 32.
Kyle, did you just start this?
Just in
late?
case y'all missed it before, caution's out, take a shot.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been running with Karen for a while now.
Oh, okay. Alright.
I heard
Hey Tommy, did I pass you on pit road because you were too busy doing a shot?
Well, boys, that was a great green flag.
Nah, I
That
slipped
was,
in my box.
was good.
I went retarded when I seen the guy.
We
I sped up
started
to slow him down.
18th and I made my way up to 11th.
I think you should do a shot.
Man, I thought about messing with my steering ratio, but
I am.
I don't know.
We're changing the rules of this game. Now, if you
No,
are the
I'm
caution,
just
you
on
have to take
15,
3
so-
shots. If you're not the
I don't want
caution,
to
but the
break the
caution
top
comes
10
out, you have to take
by the end
2.
of the race. I want to finish in top 10. That's my goal for the
I
night.
need a lot of liquor then.
I don't need another race like last week.
I screwed it up
What
to the
happened
point
last
where
week?
I can't see which position I am unless I'm
I
in the
missed
top
that.
7.
Not last
Yeah,
week,
no.
but 2 Thursdays ago, it was at Martinsville, and it was just nothing but a crash fest because I messed up and put unlimited resets.
Man, we're gonna have to start playing fuel
gotcha.
strategy soon.
Tyler, you're blinking real bad.
User entered your
Yep.
channel.
About to go down pit road.
Who entered?
Hey, Brian Pager. Yeah.
Hey, what's going on?
Hello.
That's just in Vegas.
Not much. Who is this?
Hey, buddy.
Where are you guys at?
Las Vegas, maximum velocity.
Okay,
to
I guess
Wendigo.
I'm too late.
But we're gonna be on the outside this time. I'm gonna be behind the 30.
Well, it's a good green flag run. Let's get another one in. Hopefully we can last into the race.
I want to do green flag pit stop so freaking bad.
Don't run me over, Ed.
Really,
Oh, I'm
Craig?
11th, I think.
What did I just say, Travis? Yeah, I just said it. Say no, I'm just kidding, Travis.
I know.
them all cleaned up there, bud.
Alright, guys,
Give those
let's do it
dogs a
for
good
Dale.
tug.
Take care, Scott.
Alright, boss man, pace cars off. Green flag.
Get that stop.
Hey, T-Boy.
Inside. Still there. Still there.
It's not right.
Earl, get him the fuck out of the way. Alright. Still there. Inside's clear. Inside. Still there, door. Clear. Inside. Clear low if you need it.
Easy, boys, easy.
Low car in front of you. Stay low.
Got one in the wall in the back
He
shift.
is not a spot. He is not a spot.
Somebody just went through me. Take it, Tommy.
Outside. Still outside. And if you're there, Big Earl. Rojo. Still there. Clear.
Take it, Tom.
Y'all in too much of a hurry.